Hello everyone, I am Pooja Rajmane. I am your computer teacher. We will see what we saw in last lecture. We saw our lesson number 1. What is the lesson name? Computer, a machine. We will see what we saw in this chapter. Okay? Computer is a machine. Which thing we are seeing around us, these things are divided into two parts. Which are they? Man-made things and natural things. Man-made thing and natural things. The things which is made by man, it is also called as a machines. And machines are also divided into two parts. Which are they? Manual machines and electronic machines. Machine which require manual force are called as a manual machines, and machine which require electricity to work are called as a electronic machines. Electronic machines are television, refrigerator, washing machine, mixer grinder, mobile phone, air condition, so many. Okay? Now we will see. Now we will see the skill sheet. We will solve the skill sheet. Open your page number 1 in your skill sheet. Okay? We will see, this is not in your skill sheet. We will see this parts of computer. What is this? Anyone can tell me? What is this? This is CPU. What is in the CPU? CPU stand on Central Processing Unit. What is this? This is monitor. M-O-N-I-T-O-R. Monitor. M-O-N-I-T-O-R. Monitor. What is this? Keyboard. K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. Keyboard. What is the spelling of keyboard? K-E-Y-B-O-A-R-D. And what is this? This is mouse. M-O-U-S-E. These are 4 main parts of computer. There are also parts of computer, but these are 4 main parts of computer. Which are they? CPU, monitor, keyboard, mouse. CPU is also called as the brain of computer. Now we will see in your book, page number 1. What is the question is there? Find 6 natural things in the word search given below. This is word search. What is this? Word search means these are natural things. Who made the natural things? Good. God. God made the natural things. These are natural things. These are pictures of natural things, and we have to search the spelling of these natural things. Okay? What is this? First one is fruit. What is the spelling of fruit? F-R-U-I-T-S. Fruits. What is the spelling of fruits? F-R-U-I-T-S. Where we can see the fruit? Here, right. We have to box here. Fruits. F-R-U-I-T-S. Fruits. Okay? Fruits. Next, what is this? What is this? Yes, good. This is water. What is the spelling of water? W-A-T-E-R. What is the spelling of water? W-A-T-E-R. Where we can see the spelling? Here. Good. W-A-T-E-R. Water. These are natural things. What is this? This third number picture is flower. What is the spelling of flower? Flower. What is the spelling of flower? Flower. Where we can see the spelling of flower? In this word search. This is flower. 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 Okay. Now what is this? Everyone like this season. What is this? Rainy season. And what is going on? Rain. Then where is the spelling of rain? And what is the first term? What is the spelling of rain? R-A-I-N. Good. R-A-I-N. Rain. Here is the spelling of rain. R-A-I-N. Rain. R-A-I-N. Rain. Then what is this? Tree. Good. What is the spelling of tree? T-R-E-E. Where we can see the spelling of tree? T-R-E-E. Tree. We have to find out spellings. And by using pencil, we have to draw the spelling. We have to search the spelling and we have to draw the box. This is tree. And now what is the last one? It is vegetable. What is this? Vegetable. Where is the spelling of vegetable? And what is the spelling of vegetable? Yes, good. V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S. Vegetables. Where we can see the spelling of vegetables? Here. V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S. Vegetables. Finish? What is this? Fruits. Where is the spelling of fruits? Fruit. F-R-U-I-T-S. Fruits. Next is water. What is the spelling of water? W-A-T-E-R. Next, third one is flower. F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. Fourth one is rain. R-A-I-N. Rain. Next is tree. T-R-E-E. Tree. And last one is vegetable. V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S. Vegetables. What is the spelling of vegetable? V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S. Vegetables. Now we will see our next page number 2. What is the question is there? From the following picture, circle the natural things. Natural things are made by God. Good. In green color, and man-made things in red color. Two things are there, natural things and man-made things. Natural things we have to use green color. Everyone having crayons? By using crayons, give the color. We have to circle this by using natural things by using green crayon and man-made thing by using red crayon. Firstly, we will see the natural things. Okay, firstly we will see natural things. Instead of green color, I will use the black color. Instead of green color, I will use the black color. Which color I am using here? Black color. but you having green color crayon, then you must have to draw the circle by using green color. Okay, natural thing. What is this? Firstly, we will circle the natural things by, I will use the black color. What is this? Flower. Good. Then it is natural things or man-made thing? Anyone can tell? Good. It is the natural thing. Then we have to circle by using, right, green crayon. But which color I am using? Black color. Good. Okay. Now next is what? Second number is water. Second number is water. Then it is natural thing or man-made thing? Good. It is the natural thing. Then I will use the red, black color, but you have to use the green color for natural things. Next is a, what is this? Church. Then it is man-made or natural? It is man-made. Okay. Firstly, we will circle only natural things. What is this? This is scenery. This is natural thing or man-made thing? Yes, this is natural thing. Then we will circle here by using black color, but you have to use good green color. What is this? This is tree. Then it is natural thing or man-made thing? It is natural things. Then we have to circle. Next is a sun. It is natural thing or man-made thing? It is natural thing. Next, what is this? Everyone know this? Mobile. Good. It is natural thing or man-made thing? It is man-made thing. Then what is this? Apple. Everyone know this? Then it is natural thing or man-made thing? It is natural thing. Then we have to circle by using green color, but which color I am using? Black color. Good. What is this? This is forest. Then it is natural thing or man-made thing? It is natural thing. Then we have to color by using good green color. But I am using here black color. Next, what is this? Good, umbrella. It is natural thing or man-made thing? Man-made. What is this? Bag. And last one is watch. Man-made thing we have to color by using which color? Red color. What is this? Church. It is man-made or natural? It is man-made. Then we have to color by using, we have to circle by using red color. Okay. Now what is this? Mobile phone. It is natural or man-made? It is man-made. Man-made thing we have to circle by using red color. What is this? Umbrella. When we are using the umbrella? In rainy season. We have to circle it, circle by red color. You having red color crayon, then you must have to use red color crayon. What is this? Bag. Bag is in natural or man-made? It is man-made. Then we must have to use red color for circle. What is this? Watch. Watch is man-made or natural? It is good man-made. Then we have to use red color for circle. Okay, everyone understand? Two types of things are there, natural things and man-made things. Natural things are made by God and man-made things are made by man. Man-made thing is also called as a machines. And why we are using the machine? To do our work easier and faster. Now we will see our Next number page number 3. What is the question is there? Stick the picture of following. Search picture from your old magazine or newspaper. We have to stick the pictures here. Which pictures are there? Which picture we have to search? We have to use here. Two manual machines. Manual machines means what? Machines are also two types, manual machines and electronic machines. Which machines are called as a manual machines? For working these machines, we require the manpower. These machines are called manual machines. Then first is a calculator and next one is a bicycle. You have to search these pictures from your newspaper or magazine. Where you get, you paste. If you not get, we will paste it afterwards. Next, for electronic machines. Which machines are called as electronic machines? These machines are work on the electricity. It requires little bit manpower, but it requires a more electric power. These machines are called as the electronic machines. First is a television, next fan, next refrigerator and next washing machine. Okay, these are for electronics machines. There are also so many electronics machines, but here we have to paste only 4. Next, match the manual activity with the machines that can do the same work faster. By using manual activity we can work, but why we are using the machines? To do our work faster and easier. Now here is the manual activities and what is there here? Here machines. We have to match these two columns. What is this? What is this woman is doing? It is washing the cloth. By using hand we can wash the cloth, but which machine is useful for washing the clothes? What is this? This is the vacuum cleaner, this is fan, this is bus, this is washing machine and this is mixer. Then which machine is useful for washing the clothes? Good, washing machine. Then what is the number of washing machine? 4. Here is the number of A, we wrote here A and here 4. Okay. Now next, what is this both are doing? These are going somewhere. Then by using legs or by walking they can go. But which is the easiest way for going here to there? By using vacuum cleaner, fan, bus. Where? By using bus. Here is the B. Then what is the answer of B? Bus. What is the number of bus? 3. Next. This girl is taking cool air by its handmade fan. But which is the easiest way for cool air? What is the number here? C. For cool air, which machine we are using? Good, fan. Second number. Now, what is this? This woman is cutting something. Then what is useful for cutting? We are using the mixer. What is the number here? D. And what is the number of mixer? Good, 5. We have to write like that. What is this? This girl is sweeping. Then which is the easiest way? This is E. Then what is the answer of E? By using vacuum cleaner also we can clean our house. Okay? Understand? By using hand also we can wash the cloth, but washing machine is for easier. Then for going one place to another place, we are using bus. For taking cool air, we are using fan. For cutting, we are using mixer. And for cleaning our house, we are using the vacuum cleaner. Okay. Now we will see. Tick the correct one and cross the wrong one. Tick or cross. Tick means what? Correct. And cross means what? Wrong. What is the first one? Computer work on its own. Computer work on its own. Computer does not require any manpower for working. It is true or false? It is false. Then we must have to cross. Next is second number. Computer help us to do work faster and quicker. It is true or false? By using computer we can do our work faster and quicker. True or false? True. Means we must have to. It is correct or not? It is correct. Then we must have to tick. Correct one. Next. Machines are man-made things. Machines are man-made things or natural things? Machines are man-made things. Then it is correct or not? It is correct or wrong? It is correct. Then we must have to tick. Next, fourth one. What is fourth one? Computer can be used to wash your clothes. Computer is useful for washing the clothes? Yes? No. Then which machine is useful for washing the clothes? Washing machine. Then it is right or wrong? It is wrong. Then we must have to cross. Now last number. Machine makes man's work difficult. Machines are useful to us or it is difficult to us? Machines are useful for do our work easier. Then it is right or wrong? It is wrong. Okay. What we have saw? Computer work on its own. It is wrong. Computer help us to do our work faster and quicker. It is true. Machines are man-made things. It is true. Next one is computer can be used to wash your clothes. It is false. Machine makes man's work difficult. It is also wrong. Now next one is answer the following. What is first number question? Name the machines which work on electricity. Which machines are there? Television, fan, refrigerator, washing machine. There are also so many machines, but we have to write only 2, 4. Okay. Name the machines which work on the electricity. Which machines are work on the electricity? Television, fan, refrigerator, washing machine. Next, question number 2. Write any 2 uses of computer. Why we are using the computer? To draw the shapes, to listen music, play games. There are so many uses of computer. Which are there? To draw the shapes, to listen music, and for playing games. To play games. Next is identify and write the names of machines that are used at your home. Identify and write names of machines that are used at your home. Which machines we are using at home? First is a television. Everyone like watching television. And what is the use of television? For watching. Next one is fan. Why we are using the fan? Yes, for cool air. Next, a refrigerator. Why we are using the refrigerator? For store our foods. Next, washing machine. Why we are using the washing machine? For washing the clothes. Which machine we are using at your home? At our home, first is a television for watching. Next is a fan for cool air. Next is a refrigerator for store foods. Next is a washing machine for washing the clothes. Next, page number 6. Color the picture given below. We have to color the picture. What is this? Good. CPU. What is the long form of CPU? Central Processing Unit. What is this? Monitor. 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 What is this? Keyboard. And what is this? Mouse. Okay? Everyone having crayon at home? And which color you like? Give the color. Give the color to monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. Now next is a fill in the blanks. A computer is a what? Computer is a machine, right? What is the spelling of machine? M. Here is M is given, then what will come? M-A-C-H-I-N-E. Machine. A computer is a machine. What is the spelling of machine? M-A-C-H-I-N-E. Machine. A computer is made by, who made computer? Man. What is the spelling of man? M-A-N. Man. Computer is made by man. M-A-N. Man. A computers work on electricity. What is the spelling of electricity? E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C-I-T-Y. Electricity. What is the spelling of electricity? E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C-I-T-Y. Electricity. A computer helps us to do our work what? Faster. What is the spelling of faster? F-A-S-T-E-R. Faster. Computer help us to do our work faster. F-A-S-T-E-R. Faster. A computer save our dash dash and dash dash. Computer save our time and energy. What is the spelling of time? T-I-M-E. Time and energy. E-N-E-R-G-Y. We have to complete this. Computer save our time and energy. T-I-M-E. Time and E-N-E-R-G-Y. Energy. Then you have some homework of computer. What we have to do? You have to read the computer lesson number 1 and you have to underline the hard words. Hard words means what? You have to find out which word you cannot read. You have to find out this word and you have to underline this word and try to read this word. Thank you.